Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are switch case statement in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++ installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video because if you will not watch the video you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file tut9.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std into main function return 0. First of all, we discuss about what are switch case statement in C++. Declare a variable first int a semicolon. Cout enter the value of a. C in A semicolon. Now discuss about what is switch case statement in C++. Basically, switch case statement is used when you have conditions. Then we use switch case statement. Let's see the syntax of switch case statement. Switch A curly braces case 1 colon cout Sunday break semicolon case 2 colon cout Monday break semicolon case 3 Tuesday break case 4 cout Wednesday break case 5 Thursday break case 6 cout Friday break Saturday break semicolon. Here case 7. Okay, now give the default value, enter the value between 1 to 7 semicolon break. This program is a day finder program which is built with the help of switch case statement. Now discuss about the program. First of all, we declare a variable int a. We also declare it day. Okay, here also day. Okay, C in day, enter the value of day. It means that you have to give the value of day. If you will give the value of day is 4, then it will print Wednesday. To check the answer, run the program. You can see that enter the value of day. If I will put 4, then you can see that Wednesday. If I will put 9, then you can see that enter the value between 1 to 7. This is a switch case statement which is used for multiple case, like multiple conditions. If the value of day is 1, then it will print Sunday. If the value of day is 2, then it will print Monday. If the value of day is 3, it will print Tuesday. Value of day is 4, then it will print Wednesday. If the value of day is 7, then it will print Saturday. If the value of day is other than 1 to 7, then it will print enter the value between 1 to 7. Again we run the program and I am going to write 3, then you can see that Tuesday. This is switch case statements in C++. I will give the link of this source code in the description box. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. You can also join the Telegram channel to get the latest update of the videos. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you next time.